the MNL48?
Of course, hindi ko talaga ina-expect na magiging co-captain ako. Pero I'll take this as privilege na makatulungan ko si Jamie na mag-handle yung ML48 na mas maayos and of course, mas makikilala na yung mga tao.
Yes, and can I just add to that na even if hindi pa captain si Ate Dana, siya talaga yung consultant ko. Itong mga first consultant. To those who do not know, I am junior, so I'm from second generation. So kahit na-captain ako, I still consult my analysts pag may big decisions. And they've helped me out. So I'm so happy to have you on board. Thank you.
Sa mga new batches naman, how was the experience on performing the first time? Is it your first time performing on stage?
I will, Jen.
I'll be the representative of Jen for tonight. Tonight's experience of going back really feels surreal, being able to perform and give our best for the very first time. We've been training for a long time already, weeks and weeks, days and days of, and we can say that with the guidance of our senpais, the production team, the MNL48 management, we can say that we're very, very grateful and we did our very best for tonight.
Good luck, guys.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
What's next for MNL48? Anyone can answer?
What's next for MNL48? We always say, lagi lang pong sulong paharap. So, you know, now, itong Dream Beyond, umpisa pa lang to ng pagbalik ng mga live events sa MNL48 kasi yun talaga yung core and heart of the group, maging idols you can meet. So, we really want to capitalize on live events like this para dumami pa ang MNLs. And of course, ma-share namin ang aming skills and talents with them in person live.
Another question. What is the advice po ni Miss Abby na tumatak po sa inyo, and how did you apply it dito po sa concert po?
Advice ni Ate Abby. We call her Ate because yeah, for us she's an Ate figure. Yeah. So I feel like the biggest advice that she gave us, Cole can answer.
One of the best advice. Kasi maraming advice si Ate Abby
Yeah.
as manager. But one that stuck to me the most would be, no matter what happens, you have to stick to your beliefs. Stick to what you know and what your truth is. Because if hindi mo yun, kumbaga kung wala kang core values, it wouldn't show. You wouldn't be who you are right now. You wouldn't have your little spice, walang character.
Yes, and I also love how she's shared stories of MNL48's earlier days to inspire the newer generation. And, you know, we had a lot of communication in between na, nung first generation, ganito kami. And, you know, as someone who witnessed that generation, kami naman yung magpa-pass on sa mga younger generation. And I feel like that's the purpose of having generations also in MNL48.
Nagkakahiyaan po ata. Wala na.
Message nyo na lang sa mga fans ninyo.
So, hi MLS, thank you so much for supporting us. Na dito pa rin kayo hanggang ngayon. Sana hanggang dulo tayo, hanggang sumikat, or hanggang mas makilala, or hanggang mas makilalan at mahalin ang kanta ng ML48. Doon tayo papunta. Pasulong paharap!
Thank you so much, MLS, for sticking us through thick and thin.
Kasama ko yung tagalog.
Kasi MLOves, there wouldn't be ML48 without you guys. Because without you guys, parang there would be first gens to fifth gens. Kasi kayo ang aming inspiration sa buhay na mag-proceed and magpakahirap always to achieve our dreams. Like, dream naman natin pareho na mga ML48 makilala at mamahalin ko.
Yes, kaya nga Dream Beyond kasi they support our dreams to go beyond.
At saka, marami pa po silang aabangan sa ML48.
Yeah, that's true, ate.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Yeah, naman ako.
Bye-bye.
Maraming salamat po!